Why is my heating and cooling system producing strange odors? Strange odors from your heating and cooling system usually come from dirty filters, mold or mildew buildup inside the ducts, a dead pest trapped somewhere in the system, or an electrical issue with the motor overheating. The smell is your system's way of telling you something inside needs attention before it turns into a bigger problem. Think of your heating and cooling system like the lungs of your house, breathing air in and out through metal tunnels called ducts. When moisture builds up inside those ducts, especially in humid areas, mold and mildew can grow, and that creates a musty smell similar to a wet towel left in a gym bag for too many days. If the smell is more like rotten eggs, that could actually be a natural gas leak, and you should leave the house immediately and call your gas company. A burning smell often means dust has settled on the heating coils and is simply burning off when you first turn the system on for the season, which is usually harmless after a few minutes. But if that burning smell lingers, it could mean a wire or belt inside the unit is overheating, which is something many homeowners do not realize can actually start a fire if ignored for too long. One common mistake is ignoring the smell because it goes away after a few minutes, but many electrical issues come and go before turning into a real problem, so it is smart to have a technician check it even if the smell disappears. Another misconception is thinking air fresheners or scented filters will fix the problem, when really they only cover up the smell temporarily while mold or bacteria keep growing inside the system. People also forget to change their filters regularly, and a dirty filter is one of the easiest and cheapest things to fix, so try to replace it every 30 to 60 days depending on your household. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Jobbing Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back with their estimates.